a new bowler comes to town. Shafiq Rahman. Will he give the breakthrough that the Kerala strikers need? The last over produced a couple of good shots from the captain. Sachin Joshi seems to be a little timid in the way he's batting. He needs to open up. Perhaps a couple of boundaries. Perhaps one of those big shots lofted across the ground can open up his arms.
Could be this over, Vinit. If Sachin can strike a few boundaries, that'll be a good opening his arms freely. It's important for Shafiq to look to pick up wickets here as well and put pressure on these two batsmen.
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. और एक बॉलर जब ऐसी सिचुएशन में आता है तो प्रेशर होना अनिवार्य है, जाहिर सी बात है. और ये कोशिश करी शॉट खेलने की बड़ा, पर एक ही रन मिल पाएगा यहाँ पे ऑन साइड की ओर. और कप्तान की बात कर रहे थे हम. लीड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट न्यू टू अखिल. He's always been in command of every situation, and the confidence that he oozes, even in situations which are perhaps not that conducive to the cause of his team, is commendable. While he's assessing the field placement, remember, the power play is still on and only 2 fielders at the boundary. Rest of the fielders inside the circle.
He's looking at the avenues to get boundaries in this over. It's a power play.
Well, again attempting to hit that big. The fielder gets to it. They will get a single run. Running between the wickets is perhaps one of the key indicators of a team's success in CCL, Sunil.
The two teams which they have playing in the finals, they have shown that what and why they are in the finals. They have done the basic things right. Bowling dot balls, picking up wickets, getting partnerships, and hitting the ball very well.
Well, the southpaw anticipating the ball and gets a wide, and that's adding another run and takes the total to 21. While he's looking at his captain, perhaps there's some communication going on between the two of them. जिसको कहते हैं ना, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया. चौके छक्के इतने मारे कि मैच हमारा हो गया.
Absolutely, that's a good one. You can see some popcorns, the fans. That's the one Sachin is looking for. Can he boundary? Though he didn't time it well, but still managed to get the boundary.
And a welcome boundary. He's been a little hesitant. He's been a little held back. This is perhaps the shot that will reiterate the fact that Sachin Joshi is a match winner. Well, he did not give too much thought into that particular shot, but unlucky for the Kerala strikers as it makes it home. So 3 balls remaining in the power play. Very crucial to get as many runs as possible. Misses it this time.
That's a good comeback from Shafiq, but it doesn't serve the purpose. The Kerala strikers need to pick up wickets if at all they want to win this competition and put their name on that glittering trophy. Otherwise, Telugu Warriors will take away this T10 Blast, this year's of trophy, and they will keep it at their home safely.
Well, that was the penultimate ball of the 3rd over. Just one more ball remaining in the power play. They perhaps want to end it with a bang. 7 runs have gone off this over, and no wicket has come by the strikers' way. An early breakthrough will actually reiterate the fact that they can come back into this game. It's a defendable total as long as they keep getting wickets at regular intervals, and this is what they're playing for. On the right, It's the winner's trophy which fades into oblivion so far because they have to earn their stripes. They have to earn this trophy. Sachin Joshi. Well, that's a wicket that's gone, an important wicket at that. Sachin Joshi trying to hit that one big, and a good comeback from Shafiq. And the Kerala strikers get their first breakthrough. And after 3 overs, it's 25 for the loss of 1 wicket. Well, Sachin Joshi did not put much of an application in anticipating that shot.
17 off 10. He's batted well so far. In the comm box, I'm Ajay Mehra. Joining me once again is Raman Bhanot. Welcome, Raman.
Thank you, Ajay. Look at the current run rate, 8.33. The required run rate just hovering around the same. Akhil's impressed the way he's batted. Took a blinder of a catch while fielding. And batting, he's not really tried to muscle the ball away to the boundary. Just worked it in the gaps. The timing's been superb. It's going to be a challenge for Salim now. Going down leg. And oh, they're looking for a run. Yeah, could be a run out. All channels of communication blocked between the two batsmen.
जहाँ पहले अपनी क्रीज पे थे, फिर जैसे देखा गेंद गैप में गई है, रन के लिए दौड़े, पर अच्छी सोच थी, वहां प्रिंस की उनको वापस भेजा.
Don't want to get distracted, the batsman. It's a target that they're chasing of just about 85.
Just assessing probably what Akhil was doing out there. Just stopping in his last stride there. Salim, bowlers do tend to do that. Probably the coach would have just told him, just assess him, because this is going to be the big wicket. The wicket of Akhil. Couldn't do much in the last game. They lost 2 early wickets. As far as the Telugu Warriors are concerned, didn't face a single delivery last time around. Akhil was run out without scoring, but that's played well. That's played well in the gap. Should be a couple of runs. Good running as well in the end. Not a great throw coming in from the deep.
The crowd are loving it. The home team, the home favourite Telugu Warriors are on the track. Well, tell you what, Akhil, 19 of 12. He's the set batsman. So I think this is probably going to be the key wicket here. If you can get the set batsman out, have 2 new batters at the crease. Akhil has different plans. He's dispatched that. That's going to be 6 in any stadium in India.
लीजिए, ये जवाब है उनका. 43वां छक्का इस टूर्नामेंट का और गजब की शॉट. जैसे देखा गेंद स्लॉट में है, वार करते हुए लेंथ पे आप करेंगे फिर मुश्किल है. बायां पैर निकाला लाइन से, सीधे बल्ले से खेलते हुए और बेहतरीन संपर्क. काफी पीछे जाके सेकंड रो में लगभग गेंद गई है. लंबा छक्का. रिजल्ट तो वही होगा, 6 रन मिलेंगे.
पर कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टर है बैट्समैन के लिए और वही डिमोरलाइज करता है गेंदबाज को अगर इस तरह से बैटर अटैक करे. सलीम स्ट्रगल किया था बैटिंग करते हुए भी. अगर इस लेंथ पे बॉलिंग करेंगे तो खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा. Clever batting. That's clever. They're not going to run on the misfield. Most coaches tell you that. Don't run off a misfield, especially when everything's going your way.
यार अपन जब रन आ रहे हैं, जब आप बड़े शॉट्स खेल रहे हैं, तो अब ये आपको खतरा लेना नहीं चाहिए कि आप वापस आए, क्योंकि आखिरी चीज जो तेलुगु वॉरियर्स चाहती है वो ये है कि अब कोई रन आउट हो. आप चाहते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं ये साझेदारी जो अब सही नजर आ रही है. हालांकि अभी तक प्रिंस ने अपना खाता खोला नहीं. लेग स्टंप के बाहर दिशा से भटकते हुए वाइड का इशारा. पर हम बात कर रहे थे पिछले मैच में अपना खाता नहीं खोल पाए थे अखिल, और ये हुआ था. बढ़िया वहां पे एफर्ट था, कोई गेंद का सामना नहीं किया और डायरेक्ट हिट. 9 स्ट्राइक रेट में बाहर निकलाए थे. अपना खाता भी नहीं खोला उस मुकाबले में जो पिछला मुकाबला हुआ था अखिल ने. और ये देखिए प्रतिक्रिया.
Oh, looking for a tight single there, they'll get it. It was a non-striker's call. Akhil knew he was running towards the danger end. That's why Prince applauding him. You know, we saw that replay of what happened in that previous game where Akhil got run out. I thought a simple way to describe it. Go, no go, go, no go. Oh shit, gotta go.
यार रमन, यही होता है कि अब हाना कई बार आप थोड़ा सा तालमेल में कमी नजर आती है। इस बार ग्लाइड किया, काफी फाइन खेला, तेज आउटफील्ड है और 4 रन और मिलेंगे। महंगा ओवर साबित होता हुआ 40 पे 1।